What's up everybody, it's Pavan and welcome back to Pavan Rich Tips. I know you're here because you want to build wealth and be financially secure. In this video, I'm sharing 7 powerful strategies that can actually make you rich if you're willing to put in the work. We're not talking about lottery tickets or get-rich-quick schemes, those never last. These are actionable steps to level up your income, invest smarter, and build a solid financial future. So, grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive into these 7 game-changing strategies to build wealth in 2023. Look, the job market is changing faster than ever. Remember when everyone wanted to be a lawyer or a doctor? Times have changed. These days, the real opportunity is in tech, and I'm not just talking about being a software engineer. Digital marketing, AI development, blockchain, these fields are exploding right now. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree to break in. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube have thousands of courses that can teach you these in-demand skills from home. Think about it. What if you could land a 6-figure job in a year by mastering a new skill? That's life-changing money. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. It's about increasing your earning potential, opening up new opportunities, and securing your financial future. Learning new skills takes time and effort, but the payoff is massive. So, what are you waiting for? Invest in yourself, master a high-income skill, and watch your income skyrocket. Let's talk about side hustles. Gone are the days of being stuck in a 9-to-5. The internet makes it easy to create income streams from your laptop, freelance on Upwork or Fiverr, sell handmade goods on Etsy, or start an e-commerce store with Shopify. You're in control. Choose your hours, work, and income. Start small and scale up. Extra income adds up quickly. Your side hustle could replace your main income. Imagine being your own boss, working from anywhere. What are you passionate about? What skills can you monetize? Brainstorm, pick one, and start building. Your side hustle could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's talk about putting your money to work for you. Investing isn't just for Wall Street guys in suits. Online brokerages like Robinhood and M1 Finance make investing accessible. You don't need to be an expert. Start with low-cost index funds and ETFs. These offer instant diversification. Start early and stay consistent. Even small amounts compound over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait to start investing. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Open an investment account and start building your financial future. Listen, time is your most valuable asset, and in today's fast-paced world, we need all the help we can get to be more efficient. That's where automation and AI tools come in. Tools like Notion AI for organizing your tasks, Zapier for automating repetitive workflows, and AI-powered writing assistants for crafting compelling content. These tools can save you hours every week, freeing up your time to focus on the things that truly matter. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours every week responding to emails, scheduling meetings, or creating social media posts, you could be using that time to learn new skills, grow your side hustle, or simply spend more time with loved ones. Many of these tools are either free or very affordable, making them accessible to everyone. So why waste time on tasks that can be automated? Embrace the power of technology and free yourself up to focus on what you do best. Chapter 5. Network your way to success, it's who you know. Building wealth isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Your network is one of your most valuable assets, and it's time to start treating it that way. Networking isn't about being sleazy or using people. It's about building genuine relationships with like-minded individuals who can support your journey and open doors to new opportunities. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, join online communities. There are countless ways to expand your network. You never know who you might meet, a potential mentor, a business partner, or even your future employer. The more people you connect with, the more opportunities will come your way. Remember, your network is your net worth. So, get out there, start conversations, build relationships, and watch your network become a powerful catalyst for your success. Chapter 6. Passive income streams. Make money while you sleep. Let's talk about the holy grail of financial freedom, passive income. Imagine waking up to money in your account, even if you didn't actively work for it. That's the power of passive income. Building passive income streams takes time and effort up front, but the rewards are well worth it. Investing in rental properties for consistent cash flow, creating and selling online courses or ebooks, or generating income through affiliate marketing. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests. What are you passionate about? What knowledge do you have that you can share with the world? Building passive income streams is like planting seeds for your future. It takes time, but with consistent effort, those seeds will grow into a bountiful harvest, providing you with financial security and freedom for years to come. Chapter 7. Optimize your finances. Keep more of your hard-earned money. You work hard for your money, so it's time to make sure you're keeping as much of it as possible. This means getting serious about budgeting, tracking your expenses, and finding ways to cut costs. There are tons of great budgeting apps out there like Mint or YNAB that can help you get a handle on your spending. Next, let's talk taxes. Many people overpay on their taxes simply because they don't understand the deductions and credits available to them. Consider consulting with a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of every opportunity to minimize your tax liability. Optimizing your finances isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. By being mindful of your spending, maximizing your deductions, and making smart investments, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Accelerate your journey to wealth. So there you have it, 7 powerful strategies to get rich this year. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistent action. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused on your goals, stay disciplined, and never stop learning and growing. The opportunities are out there, but you have to be willing to seize them. Pick one strategy from this video and commit to taking action today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more wealth building tips, and let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to implement. Take action today and set yourself up for success.